This is a garden themed journal. It's got blues, teals. It's called Maud's Garden. And I made a little cluster, a page topper cluster on the front. Vintage button, paper flowers, some lace, old music paper. And inside, we have a pocket with some tags. There's a little belly band here with some journaling cards tucked inside. Belly band is flowers with some little navy blue faux beads on there. There's a lot of journaling space in this junk journal, mostly for writing. This little corner tuck has tags and journaling cards. All of the page edges have been inked with Tim Holtz Distressed Ink Indigo Blue, I believe it's called. Like I said, lots of journaling pages. This is a little envelope, a little mini envelope with a navy blue square paper clip. Another corner tuck that has tags, different size tags, and a journaling card. Another pocket with tags and journaling cards. This is a larger envelope that's paper clipped with another mini navy blue paper clip. And I left it folded out. And there's also a journaling card tucked inside. It's very pretty. Bound in the middle with navy blue cotton thread. Actually, it's crochet string. Another corner tuck with a tag and a journaling card. Put a piece of darker blue lace for the tab. Another corner tuck that has tags, journaling card. You can see the distressed ink a little on this page, on the edges. This is just a little banner I made. Navy blue bow tie and a faux bead. Another pocket, a little bit bigger. This one has a journaling card. And this is a fold over tag, blank inside to write in. And there's the back. And I put a pinkish lilac color satin ribbon. And that's the back of the book. She will be listed in my Etsy shop shortly. Thank you for watching.